Hi everyone, my name is Anji and you're watching Anji Flag. So today I'm gonna show you the bus which I got from Jaipur to Delhi, that is RSRTC's Scania bus. These are super luxury buses which RSRTC now have started, and it provides all the amenities and facilities which are really good. So let me show you how does it look like. So they give very nice cool curtains on the windows, very nice cushioned seats with covers. These are really comfortable recliner seats, carpet on the floor, and as you can see, there is a space for keeping your stuff as well. And this is a water bottle as well, which they give you complimentary with the ticket. That's the road which I wanted to show you when you are traveling from Jaipur to Delhi by road. This is how it looks like. Somewhere in between, you would find that the road is not so good, but all over, if you want to give the ratings, it's quite fine and okay, nice roads, smooth roads. On that day, it was raining when I was traveling, and that's the place where they would give you a halt for half an hour. This is called Bikanerwala, where you can, have some refreshments and can rest for just for half an hour or so. Let me just quickly show you. So these are the seats available where you can sit. It's in Grand Hira Hotel, and Bikanerwala has its branch over there. Here you can find a lot of varieties of snacks, packed snacks as well as loose. So if you want to gift anyone and you forgot anything, you can buy from here itself. Here's the counter, the cash counter and the billing counter. And this is the counter you would find for all kind of sweets, basically Indian sweets. Here you can check all kind of sweets are available, and here we have the snacks counter as well in Bikanerwala, which have samosa, pyaz kachori or dal kachori. Apart from that, they have raj kachori as well, few of the salads, dressings, chola bhatura, pav bhaji, and all kind of variety of snacks you can have here. Let me quickly show you that. So these are all kind of chutneys, salad, onions, cucumber, green chili, and this is the area where you can have water. This is the water facility they give you. Fresh glasses are available with cold water, and at the other hand you have the hand wash area as well. Here is the dryer as well which they give you, and this is again the sitting area. This is the area from outside Bikanerwala. You can see, since it was raining, I couldn't capture the whole thing. And there is our bus, which is for RSRTC Scania. This is how it looks like from outside. This is the whole place they give you once you reach there. It's near Peher Road, I guess. It would take I took the bus at 8 a.m. in the morning, and we reached at this place around 11:15 in the morning, and that's the road. It was very nice, pleasant weather, and I really enjoyed the ride of this bus. This is the seat. Since there was a empty seat just near my seat as well, so I kept all my stuff in that empty seat, and the whole I mean two all the two seats were mine, and I was feeling like a king at that day. And you can see the weather is awesome, and I really liked it. Really nice, cool place. And they have the uh, super luxury buses with from Jaipur to Delhi and Delhi to Jaipur. You can see from inside as well, and it's really good. The fare, if I talk about the fare, it took 746 rupees after getting the women concession. So I had to pay 746 rupees for that. It's around 5 hours journey. So if you start from Jaipur Sindhi Camp bus stand, around 8 a.m. you would be getting you would be getting down at Gurgaon Ifko Chowk around 1, and around 2 or so p.m. you would be reaching to Delhi. So this is how the journey was. This is the place. I mean, we have entered in Gurgaon, and you can see few of the images which I could capture for you guys. So they have very nice recliner, comfortable seats, and you can enjoy your rides with these high seats. So there are few of the things which I got captured for you. Place where you can keep your stuff, and they have a dicky as well. They will charge you 5 rupees for per bag, and they can keep your heavy stuff over there in the backside of the dicky. Hope you liked my channel. If you have any questions, you can just comment below. Thank you.